Hello, everybody. How are you? It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I am here with 52 and 22, and it's all about cards this month, guys. And a card this week is Thinking of You. Now, this is another image I wanted to test to see which I like better. And I want you guys to just tell me in the comments, okay? And because I like them both, but I really like this one the best. All I did is put some lace. I used this off-white paper, stamped it out. It says thinking of you today and every day. And I just left this one blank inside, and I didn't color it at all. You know me, I love to color. If you guys watch me, you know I like to color. So then I did it identical stamp, but I colored it. Okay? And again, blank inside, just as no card. I want you guys to let me know what one you like the best. I like just the black look. I really like just the black look, and I love coloring. So I want you guys to tell me what you think. Color or black and white or color alongside each other. Because I'm curious to see what you guys think. So that is the Thinking of You Today and Everyday cards for week 2 of March. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.